Lucid Motors stock update. Okay, guys, so we have some huge news when it comes to Lucid Motors, which is going to merge with the SPAT, ticker symbol CCIV. So, as you guys probably already know, CCIV, it currently is a SPAT and it trades on the New York Stock Exchange, and it's going to merge with Lucid Motors. But one of the interesting things that is happening, guys, is that Lucid Motors is planning to go to the Nasdaq. So obviously this is a strategic switch to better compete with Tesla. And I just really like how things are setting up. And this has done really good, good things for the current stock price. So as you can see here, we're taking a look at a year-to-date chart of CCIV, and it actually dipped below 20. So, the institutional price had been raised to $15 because the demand was so high, and a lot of big people, including the Saudi Arabian investors, institutional investors, bought at 15. And at one point, it looked like it was headed towards near 15, but we quite nicely bounced off this point. But there was a bit of resistance at around $20. So if we take a look at a shorter term chart, we can see that the price had been going up earlier on Tuesday's session, and it found a lot of resistance at $20, and we're really settling around at 1933. But if we take a look at the one-day chart, it was a pretty nice run up. So I actually bought some call options with a strike price of $20. So I'll be looking to hold on to those, see what happens there. But I also long this stock as well. And one of the interesting things is that Lucid Motors is now going to be listed on the Nasdaq. So let's check that out. So here we are. If you guys are on Twitter, be sure to follow me on Twitter. You can follow me at Investor Trip, guys. I'm on Twitter. I post a lot of things on Twitter that I don't necessarily make a video for here on YouTube, including a lot of my trades, and I try to make these alerts kind of real time. So if you guys are interested and you want to see some of my trades real time and some of the stocks that I'm buying and selling every day, be sure to check out my Twitter. So as you can see here, there was a tweet that was posted a couple of hours ago. It says, ticker symbol LCID coming to Nasdaq following the planned merger with CCIV. So this is huge, guys. We all know that the Nasdaq is more of a tech related exchange than the New York Stock Exchange. New York Stock Exchange is usually for older, more boring, dividend paying companies. So this is really excellent news, and I think this contributed to a lot of the run up. So the stock was up just about 5 to 6%, not a ton, but I definitely noticed this. It was on my radar, and I still think it's a strong buy. So, basically we're looking at a company right here that has sold out their reservations on the Lucid Dream edition. That's around $800 million in revenue, but the company only plans to produce, just under 600 cars this year. So we're still in the early stages. This still is a great price. If Lucid Motors runs to 100, if it runs to $200, $300 within the next couple of years, no one's going to be, upset that they bought this stock under 20 bucks. So like I said, with a lot of these EV vehicles, this is a very long-term investment. I wouldn't expect to make a ton of money, at least until probably at least 1 to 2, probably 3 years, guys. But the good thing is that, if you like electric cars and you like tech, this is a great opportunity. Obviously, the best time to buy Tesla would have been like 8 to 10 years ago. And then the second best time would have been right before the whole pandemic crash in March. But Lucid is a little bit different, and it's really going after the luxury market. So if you take a look at the tagline, it says there were luxury cars, then EVs, now there's Lucid, the new generation of luxury electric. So they're competing with Tesla, but not so much. Tesla's a very similar yet very different company. And a lot of probably the biggest complaint with Tesla is that it's just not luxurious, guys. Teslas were built to be efficient and to focus on conserving energy and things like that. These Lucid Air vehicles, they're built to be much more luxurious, and you're going to see a lot of high net worth, high income, bosses out there. They're going to kind of gravitate more to this Lucid Air than they would, a Tesla. Simply because, just the way the Lucid Air was built, it's built completely for luxury. It's a very expensive car That Dream Edition costs about almost $160,000, and the cheapest Lucid Air you can actually buy is $70K. So, you know, the cheapest Tesla is going to run you about, a basic Tesla is going to run you about $30,000 to $35,000, but the cheapest Lucid Air is twice the price, guys. So we're just really dealing with a vehicle that is just in all cylinders a much higher quality product. So I think that even though Tesla has a big head start, the fact that Lucid Motors is selling a much more expensive vehicle, they don't have to sell nearly as many units to make as much revenue. So that's one of the exciting things about this company. They have such an expensive vehicle, they can actually sell fewer cars yet make similar revenue. Now obviously it's going to be really hard to catch Tesla, but the good news is that we're able to kind of take a step forward towards that Mercedes, the Lexus, the BMW market. And that's something that Tesla really hasn't done. Tesla's more focused on kind of the standard vehicle market. They're not really going after the luxury. So like I said, guys, I added a bunch of CCIV when it was around $18. I think moving to the Nasdaq is a good move, and I'm planning to add some more in the future as well. But like I said, this is a long-term investment for me. If we take a look here at the RSI, we can see that the RSI is basically around 45, guys. So not too high. Still a good buy, I think. And the fact that people were paying as much as $60 for the exact same stock just early in the year means that you're getting quite a discount, guys. So just wanted to give you guys an update on that. Another bullish news update on Lucid Motors. I'll be sure to post more videos on Lucid as well. Now, if you guys are wondering about when the merger date is going to be complete, as of now, it's estimated to be around July 15th. So we still got a couple of months left to wait until this merger is complete. It'll be really interesting to see what happens. If you guys enjoyed my channel, be sure to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button as well to receive more video updates. And be sure to grab your free stocks and Bitcoin. You can find those links in the description below, guys. That's it. Until next time. Take care.